Now next we discuss about the Bellman-Ford algorithm. Similar property of shortest path like relaxation using the triangle inequality, upper boundary property, and no path property. According to triangle inequality like that for all everywhere equal to u comma v element of v such that delta s comma v less than equal to delta s comma u plus w. According to upper boundary property, for everywhere v element of capital V, distance of v greater than equal to delta sb at all time and keep decreasing. So no path property, if there is no path from s to v, then distance of v equal to delta of s comma v equal to infinite. Same second algorithm here discuss Bellman-Ford algorithm. According to Bellman-Ford algorithm, yeah, overview of algorithm, allow negative weight. If there is negative cycle return, a negative cycle exists, then we apply the Bellman-Ford single source shortest path algorithm. If any weighted graph contain the negative cycles, so we apply Bellman-Ford single source shortest. Now, according to the Bellman-Ford algorithm, there is no shortest path from S to any other vertex that does not contain a non-negative cycle can be eliminated to produce a shorter path. And the maximum number of S in such a path with no cycle is mod of V vertex minus 1 because it can have at most mod V nodes on the path if there is no cycle. It is enough to check path of up to mod v minus 1 edges. So according to single source Bellman-Ford algorithm, like that, Bellman-Ford algorithm defined that pseudocode like that Bellman-Ford G comma S, G matlab graph, C S matlab source, initialized value of source in a graph. For each S U comma V element of E, then to if distance of V greater than distance of U plus W, U comma V, apply the relaxation property. If distance of V is greater than distance of U plus W, UB, if value of distance node V is greater than the distance value of source plus path value of U comma V, then we replace the distance value of V by the sum of distance of U plus W, U comma V, and pi V is assigned by value U. For each edge u comma v element of v, if distance v greater than of du plus w, we return negative sign. This is the pseudocode of Bellman-Ford. Now example of Bellman-Ford algorithm like that. Suppose a graph is given, source value this S, A, B, C, D and path value, negative weight value is given. So first we apply in the Bellman-Ford algorithm in this graph. First, we assign the distance value of source equal to 0 and assign the weight infinite all other node except the S. Now find two paths as order A comma B, A comma C, A comma D, B comma A, C comma B, C comma D. This is the S order. So A comma B and A comma C. When first we apply the two paths S to A, this is the vertex of A, and S to C, this is this vertex, and all adjacent edges are right here. So the value of this vertex equal to 6 and value of this vertex equal to 7, and outgoing of this as order like that A comma B, A comma C, A comma D, B comma, and all possible as order B comma A, B comma A केवल है, C comma B, T comma S, T comma B, S comma A, S comma B. All order is given. So apply the Bellman-Ford in the step first. First we select the path S2A and S2C. Now calculate the value of distance value of source plus path value of 6 is less than with respect to the value of infinite. So we replace the value, the sum of value 0 plus 6 by A. Replace A infinite value by 6. And C value infinity is replaces by the value of 0 plus 7. Sum of 0 plus 7 equal to 7. Now following is here 2. Like that A to B. We find following as order AB, AC, AD, BA, CB, CD, DS, DB, SAS. Now we select first edge, which is the minimum path with path value, like that. AD is the minimum with path value. So first we select smallest vertex and minimum path value A to D equal to the value of D replaced by value of 6 minus plus minus 4 equal to 2. This value 6 plus 8 equal to 2, therefore not replaced because relaxation property is not allowed according to replacing according to the property of relaxation, and value of this A plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11 is not replaced. So first we select the minimum weight value equal to 4, 2 is the replaced, and C 7 minus 3 is replaced. And these adjacent are included in the set. Next we find the minimum value of S is minus 2. So value of 4 minus 2 equal to 2. This is as is replaced by 2. So next we select the adjacent of these edges. This and this. Minimum is 4. So 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Then we apply next as and next as, like that. 7 minus 2 not relaxation. Similarly 4 minus 2 2 not relaxation. This is final graph, solution of the graph. Now summarize next. According to Bellman-Ford algorithm, initialize the single source in graph G and S. For each vertex, for I 1 to Vj minus W, Vj minus 1, for each as U comma V element of S as E, to apply the relaxation U comma V comma W. If distance of U plus W is less than dV, then dV give value du plus W, else false. So according to Bellman-Ford algorithm of given graph, we take the value of source equal to 0 and all vertex assign the value by infinite. So first we select path from source to all outgoing adjacent like S to U and S to X. So value of U replaced by 6 and value of X is replaced by 7, and that was selected. And after including these vertex, these two vertex, we write all outgoing as in the set, like that, like outgoing set 5 minus 4 8 minus 3 9. we check the minimum value of as path value of this set is -4. So first select the value b2 4. So apply 610 to -4 equal to 2. Second minimum and 2 is also included. We add the vertex like that 7 and 7 5 8 3. The then we find the smallest path value of s is equal to -3. So calculate the value of 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Infinite replaced by -4. Sorry, replaced by 4. After including this, we include the adjacent weight of this vertex of given set. So we can write 897 minus 2. Minimum as value of -2. So we update the value of this -2 plus 4 equal to 2. Now this is updated vertex. So we further be included the outgoing edges of this vertex -4, 8 and 5. Then we find smallest value of path as path value equal to -4. So 2 minus 4 equal to -2. Next, after applying this, after applying this -2, node is included. After 5 minus 5, 8, 9, 7, 8. So apply no relaxation property, third relaxation property according to property relaxation is third. No update the vertex value. So final answer of the Bellman-Ford algorithm like that. So properties of a Bellman-Ford algorithm like that: first pass over the S, only neighbor of S are affected. One is path. All shortest path with one S are found. In the second pass, shortest path with S are found. After mod v minus 1 passes, all possible paths are checked. To claim we need to update any vertex in the last pass if only if there is negative cycle visible from S in graph G. So time complexity of the Bellman-Ford algorithm according to BW, a vertex का modular positive value of v minus 1 vertex is equal to order of mod v, and performance vertex relaxation on all edges equal to order of mod e. So time complexity order of mod v into mod v, and mod v plus mod v is space. So time complexity of Bellman-Ford algorithm equal to order of mod v into mod e, and space complexity mod order of t plus mod of t. While the time complexity of this Castro algorithm equal to order of v log e dot v log e log v. Now, according to next topic of single source shortest path algorithm, we discuss like that topological sort order. In topological sort order algorithm, we also apply the relaxation property. If initialize graph G distance of V and Y with S a source initialize A, then for each vertex use a topological sorted order. Given A, then each vertex be incident U do relax U comma V like that. Suppose source S given A. So we initialize the value of source equal to 0 and all node value assigned by infinite. Source to S to B. The value of B is updated by the sum of 0 plus 2 equal to 2, and value of C is updated by 6. Similarly, B 2 plus 7, the value of 9 is greater than 6, so not replace. 2 plus 4, value of 6 replaces by the this graph, and value of 2 plus 2 equal to 4, infinite value of E replaces by the 4. Now next, we check the smallest vertex. So smallest vertex of two smallest vertex like that C and D. So value of C equal to 6, the distance of 6 equal to the path value of -1. So is the sum of this value equal to 5 is less than with respect the distance of t. So 6 is replaced by the 5. And next vertex D is topological sort. According to topological sort, the value of D5 and path value is -2. So the key value of 4 replaced by 3 and selected part of this and rejected part of this. This is the example of topological sort. Thank you.